Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to remove a saved credit card from the Facebook app. Whether you're updating your payment method or just want to clear your info, this quick tutorial will help you do it easily and securely. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on the settings icon at the top of the menu. Scroll down until you see Browser and tap on it. In the browser settings, scroll down again and tap on Payment Info. Here you'll see the credit card linked to your account. Tap on it and then select Remove Card to delete it from Facebook. And that's it. Your credit card has now been removed from the Facebook app. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.